As the smartphone photography arena gears up for a showdown between Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 15, the spotlight is firmly fixed on the camera capabilities of these upcoming flagships. Our anticipation is fueled by recent revelations from reliable sources, offering glimpses into the impressive camera features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, who claims to have seen camera samples, the S24 Ultra's nightography zoom and 4K at 120 fps video recording capabilities, coupled with the seamless zoom at 4K 60 fps, are poised to set a new benchmark. The device is rumored to boast 4 rear cameras, a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The comparison with its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, is promising, with camera samples from Ice Universe suggesting superior performance, particularly at 10x zoom. Despite concerns of a potential downgrade, Samsung's teaser videos showcase a zoom with Galaxy AI is coming announcement, hinting at a 10x zoom range. However, a twist awaits. The 10x optical telephoto lens might transition to a 5x version, albeit with a significantly higher sensor resolution of 50 megapixels. Addressing fears of a diminished zoom range, the teaser images feature a hot air balloon captured in challenging low-light conditions, hinting at the potential of advanced digital zoom and AI processing compensating for the shift to a 5x telephoto lens. This move raises questions among enthusiasts, including our perspective on departing from the 10x optical zoom that Samsung has long been lauded for. As avid photographers, we appreciate the practical utility of an optical lens for getting closer to subjects. The potential shift to a 5x telephoto camera prompts concerns about maintaining or surpassing the previous level of quality. While advancements in image processing and larger sensors may bridge the gap, the distinction between optical and digital zooms remains crucial. The competitive landscape adds complexity, with other flagship smartphones embracing telephoto upgrades. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's rumored 5x telephoto camera may jeopardize its claim to a longer telephoto range than rivals, such as the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro, both boasting 5x telephoto lenses. Launching this January, any perceived shortcomings could allow competitors to capitalize on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's telephoto transition. In the unfolding saga of smartphone camera innovations, the battle between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 promises to reshape our expectations and preferences in the dynamic world of mobile photography. What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.